2016, wasn't it?
Yes. It's just was about a year ago.
Mm-hmm.
Just about a year ago when he came back.
Well, we did have 2 sprays, and I'm assuming that we have more.
Yeah. Relaxing. It wasn't like pushing and trying to say, you need this, that, and the other. You got to do it right now, right this moment, sign here. That wasn't the case.
He wasn't selling anything particularly
Right.
decent.
Yes. Yeah.
It adds life, so you need not necessarily to rip off a roof and re-roof again. So this will give you 5 or more years. Said, okay, well, let's give it a shot.
Came in, did the job. He was special.
It was a good deal. Yeah, we were satisfied, and still are.
If he is satisfied with it, it has to be good. Because otherwise, if it's not satisfied with anything, everybody knows he's not satisfied. The service has been good, and I'd recommend it.
I would highly recommend it. Yes, I would recommend it to my friends and to my neighbors, definitely so. Hey man, I'm looking for 25 years now. Come on.